Triggers are events used to define when an action should run. In the editor, there are multiple places from where you can trigger an action. This could, for example, be when some data is changed, if a button is clicked, if a draggable element is dropped, or when the page loads. Examples are right-clicking components and going into actions within the contextual menu. Here you will have a list of triggers depending on the component. Also note that for components, you'll have the option to activate component add-ons, which will give you additional triggers like a swipeable gesture, for example. When entering a component application like a quiz, you'll find various triggers in the left toolbar. This could, for example, be when the quiz is finished or whenever a question is asked. The last example for now is the stage rules, which is found in the right toolbar. To make use of this, we ask you to create a new rule set that you can name or rename and delete if needed, of course. When you've defined a rule set, you can then add a trigger by clicking Add Trigger. And next step is to define the trigger. Here you can search if you know what you're looking for, like a data field, for example. But you also have the option to look through the list. The rules that you define is bound to the stage that it's on, but it also listens for events down the tree. So it can be very useful to have an overall trigger that listens for overall changes on the route of your page.